When your Silent Night electric blanket stops working, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and potentially fix the problem safely. Step 1. Immediately unplug the blanket from the electrical outlet. This is the most important safety step before any inspection or troubleshooting. Step 2. Disconnect the controller from the blanket if your model allows it. This helps isolate potential issues between the blanket and control unit. Step 3. Carefully inspect both the blanket and controller for visible damage. Look for frayed wires, scorch marks, or any signs of overheating that could indicate a safety hazard. Step 4. Allow the blanket to remain unplugged and disconnected for about 10 minutes. This waiting period enables the internal safety systems to reset completely. Step 5. Reconnect the controller to the blanket securely, then plug the blanket back into the electrical outlet. Turn on the blanket and set it to your desired heat setting to test if the issue is resolved. For dual control blankets where only one side isn't working, try swapping the controllers between sides. This helps determine if the problem is with the control unit or the blanket wiring itself. Remember, if these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, or if you discover any damage during inspection, contact Silent Night customer support immediately. Never continue using a damaged electric blanket, as it poses serious safety risks. When your electric blanket turns on but doesn't produce heat, the first thing to check is the fuse in the controller. This small component protects your blanket from electrical damage. Equally important is preventing hot spots by avoiding folding or creasing your blanket during use. Folded areas can overheat and trigger the safety cutout system. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining your blanket's lifespan. Store it flat or loosely rolled in a cool, dry place to prevent damage to the internal wiring. Regular inspection helps catch problems early. Check for frayed wires, scorch marks, or unusual lumps in the blanket fabric. These are signs that replacement may be needed. Silent Night underblankets can be machine washed, but never dry cleaned. Always disconnect the control switch and cord before washing to prevent electrical damage. If your blanket continues to malfunction after following these maintenance steps, contact Silent Night's customer service for professional assistance or warranty support.